Got my wheel guards to fix. Let's get to it. Well, it's all cleaned up and it's a little worse than I was hoping it would be. Pretty pitted, but there's still enough material in the bulk of it that it's okay. Some little spots I'll weld up, might do that now, and then I might do a little bit of panel beating on the odd little bit to straighten her up. Like down here, she's a bit kinked, and little spots here. I almost wondered whether I should just start all over again and get some new steel, but I think it's salvageable and it's quicker to overhaul, fix, repaint. It's going to be on the inside for the most part and unseen, so yeah, she'll be right. Olden time. Yeah, see this hole here, I kinda got a bit too much heat on it, wasn't paying attention, and the metal's so thin from the rust it blew straight through, and yeah, it makes it a bit hard. I found a way to do some welding to help with the thin spots by adding a little bit material from an arc rod. It's a little bit like TIG welding, I guess. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks.